Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're taking a very quick look at and installing the MP Concepts quarter window louvers available for the 08 and newer Challenger. You should be checking these out if you're looking for a very affordable way to upgrade the exterior styling of your Challenger to give it that of a retro or throwback classic muscle car look. Now the quarter window louvers and louvers in general are something we saw on a lot of the 60s and 70s muscle cars, especially the Challenger, and that's something you can now get for one of your newer body vehicles. This will fit the 2008 and newer Challengers, and as you can see, it fits very snug to the quarter window. This is going to use a 5-slot louver design, giving it a very classic look. It's not something that uses any modern spin or anything like that. It's just exactly what you think when you think of a quarter window louver. Now this is made from an injection molded ABS plastic, so it's very flexible, it's impact resistant, it's paintable, but right out of the box, this one is gloss black, so there's no need to take it to a professional to get painted properly. Right out of the box, it's good to go. But if you did want to get it paint matched, you do have that option because this is easily paintable at your local shop. Now, if you're not a fan of the gloss black, there is a matte black option in the category as well if you're looking to give it a little bit more stealth instead of the gloss. But the gloss really does look great with the metallic paint on your OEM paint color. It has the same exact amount of gloss to it, so it blends in really nicely. This is going to use a 3M automotive bonding tape to adhere to the window. That's something that will last for the lifetime that you want it to be on the vehicle. You can run it through a car wash with that on. It's very easy to use, and you don't have to worry about it falling off if applied properly. Now that's the key word. You want to make sure that you're cleaning off the window completely, along with cleaning off the back of the louvers before applying the 3M to clear off any dirt and dust that would prohibit a good bond between the 3M and the plastic or the 3M and the glass. If done properly, this guy will stick on there and be on there for the long haul. Price tag comes in right around 130 bucks for the pair. You get the driver and passenger side, so it's pretty affordable. And the install, I'm given 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. You can tackle this in 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your experience. I'm gonna show you guys every step of the process. Let's get started. All right, so first things first here, we want to start on a table. Now I've got the plastic wrap that the actual louver comes in on the table, just so we flip it over and we don't scratch our paint on our table. You just want to make sure you have a clean surface. The actual wrapping itself does a really good job of that. Next, what I'm going to do is take some alcohol wipes, not included in the kit, but I do find them very useful, especially for cleaning off the back of the louver. What we're basically going to do is use this guy to clean off the entire edging to make sure that it's free of all dirt and dust, any manufacturing dust that may have gone into the molding of this part here. So once you open up the alcohol wipe, I'm gonna wipe it down. Now, if you don't have alcohol wipes, which I do recommend picking up, you can also use a soap and water mixture in a squirt bottle along with a clean microfiber. I find alcohol wipes to be just a little bit easier. You don't have to worry about finding soap and water in a mixture bottle or making it yourself. You can just take care of this with one wipe and toss it out when you're done. From there, we're gonna take the 3M tape included in the kit and apply it to the edge all the way around the perimeter. Now you want to have a knife on hand to help cut that. I'm going to peel this off, start on one side, and we're just going to easily work our way down, making sure we put even pressure on all of the 3M parts to make sure it gets a really good bond. All right, so once we make one trip down, grab your knife, and you're going to cut off the excess there, rotate, and keep going. All right, again, at this point, make sure you have pushed down on all areas of that 3M. And what I'm gonna do here is grab my knife and just peel off some of that backing there. I like to do a couple of inches and just have it hang off the side. All right, now if you want to use adhesion promoter, which of course is an option, it's not included in the kit, but you could easily pick it up. You want to peel off all of the backing, apply the adhesion promoter to the sticky side of the 3M, let that dry, and then that'll give extra support once installed on the vehicle. We're not going to be using that. It's completely optional, not even really required or necessary, but if you wanted that added support, you can do that. You'll just have to peel off all of the backing. I find this to be a little bit easier, peeling off a couple of inches when it comes to applying and aligning it. Let's do that next. All right, so now that we're at the window, the first thing I'm gonna do before we actually apply it is grab another alcohol wipe. I'm gonna wipe off the edges where the 3M is going to apply. This is one of the most important steps here. You wanna make sure you're cleaning off that windshield, again, getting rid of the dirt and dust so that the 3M can get a really good bond. I like to focus on the edges first and then just work my way in so the window is clean. That way when you're inside the vehicle and you're looking out, it's not just a smudgy window. All right, so once that's good, we can apply it. All right, so from here, I like to start in the corner just to help guide me in place. Follow along the edges to make sure that it's applied correctly. Now, keep in mind, we peeled off a couple of inches, so I know that this corner is exposed sticky 3M. So I'm gonna stick that in place, run this guy all the way back, and then carefully put that on. Same thing for the bottom. Stick that in place, and then this edge here. Put firm and even pressure all along the 3M, repeat on the other side, and you're good to go. That's gonna wrap up my review and install for the MP Concepts quarter window louvers in the gloss black, available for the 08 and newer Challenger. Get yours right here at AmericanMuscle.com.